did you want to be, Raymond K. Hessel? The question, Raymond, was what did you want to be?
Answering, Raymond. Jesus.
Get up, get up, get up, son, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, come on, son, get up, get up, get up, get up, come on, son, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, come on, son, get up, get up, get up.
Yeah. What's going on, guys? Trail 7 Reactions. I'm just wondering what my boy Charlie sent me. Shout out to Barrows Builds. Barrows Builds YouTube channel. Check him out. He does car shows, builds cars. My boy does all his own music. We've done rap groups together. Known Charlie for a long time. Good friend of mine again. Shout out to Good Karma Tattoo, Delta 8 products, gummies, vapes, stickers. I don't know. I had that all in a different order. Charlie hit me up. I haven't been doing any reactions for a little bit. I say that every time. I feel like that's my go-to. But Charlie sends me stuff every once in a while in between, and I get to it. I hit my watch list. This is Siberian Meat Brigade, Ruder Than Thou. And he said he thinks this band, I'd really like this band, so I'm going to go ahead and check it out. And immediately, I think it looks like a shooter game, right? The way it's set up, the way I was like kind of looking through it. But let's go ahead and get it. I'm not even going to talk no more. Goodkarma.life. Check out some of the products. And on with the show. Oh! Oh my God. Off the bat. I told you, it's like one of those shooter games. He's in the bathroom. He opens it up. He's like, oh shit, I can't go in there. Oh my God, hold on. I gotta see this again. Oh my God. Yeah. Yo, intense so far. Holy crap, my eyes haven't stopped moving. Oh my God. I'm like, my whole energy is like, da-da-da. I just came from doing Kasky to like, life's hard, what's a blue moon to... Yo, the music reminds me of some old Megadeth, like the guitar squeals and like the real like fast like thrash metal, but then the almost like punk essence of like the screaming and the like the hardcore, like, you know, what do you call those band? I want to say a couple bands, but I'm drawing a blank right now. You know, like the Harm's Way and bands like that. You know, the real pump, like that's dope. Ooh, yeah. Nice little. Yo, I like that bridge. Is that what it's called, a bridge? When you come into the right here, the little breakdown or a little. What do they call that? With a little Grand Theft Auto going on, like, give me that bike. What is that, a razor? What is that, a razor? Where are these guys from? They still using razors? I wonder what year this video was shot. 2018. That's like 3 years ago, you guy. We got smartphones now. I think they put the razor back out. I'm just messing around. Oh. This guy's like a hitman. Oh. What? Yo, this video is so dope. Like, it's so well done. Like, the third, is that the first person like a video game, yeah? Yeah. Oh, what? He took his heart out. Oh my God. You got to rewind, like choose your own adventure type shit. It's like, nah, bro. I should have picked up the spray paint and spray painted your face. Ooh. Yo, cool video. Definitely a cool video. I like the way it was done. And did he eat it? Siberian meat grinder. Why did I put meat brigade? Oh, guys, I'm so sorry. Hey, why don't I do this right now? Siberian meat grinder. Look, I'm not gonna redo this video because this is like I had somebody complaining about my reactions, said that they weren't real reactions because I've seen the video before. It's a reaction. It's not my first reaction, but it's a reaction. Hey, there's 307 right there, 2307. Anyway, so I'm reacting to this for the first time, and I see some bands on here. Madball. I remember listening to Vision of Disorder, so I guess they're around the same. That's cool. They tour with those guys. Agnostic Front. I know some people have heard of them. That's dope. I like this video. It was really cool, very creative. The music was dope. I would definitely listen to it. It's right up my alley, like the type of shit I like. I have a very diverse catalog of music, the stuff that I listen to, so I don't really have an alley per se, but like it is within the scope of some shit I would listen to. It's got me hyped the whole time, kept my interest in the video. It's real sick. So I wonder what these guys were like live. Uh, anyway, that was it. That was Siberian Meat Grinder. I changed the title, so don't get on me. I'm not the professional reactor that you think I am. I appreciate you guys checking me out. And once again, I'm going to get my outro going. Thanks for watching.
a second.
Hey, what are we doing?
Turn around.
What are we doing?
Homework assignment.
What kind of homework assignment? Hey, is that a gun? Please.
On a long enough timeline, the survival rate for everyone drops to 0.
Would you rather be dead? No. Would you rather die here? No. What did you want to be, Raymond K. Hessel?
The question, Raymond, was what did you want to be?
Answer him, Raymond.